Hey guys, welcome back to my yet another tutorial video. I am Priyam. It's good to have you back, guys. And in this video I'm going to show you that how to shoot hyperlapse with a drone. Well, I'm going to show you two ways to shoot hyperlapse with a drone. So let's get started with this intro. First, what I'm gonna do is open the DJI Go 4 app. Fly the drone in the air, and after that the very first option to shoot hyperlapse is tap the remote controller and choose tripod mode and shoot the entire video in tripod mode. And in the post processing, what you need to do is speed up the video, and the result will be look like this. And the second option is shoot raw photos with interval of 5 seconds. So go to the camera option, hit photos and choose interval mode. I choose 5 seconds of minimum interval, so hit OK, and your drone will click photos in every 5 seconds of interval. In post process, what you're gonna need to do is open the Final Cut Pro or Premiere Pro. Import all the raw images. Select the first sequence and hit Command A to select all the images and E to import. Now the video is quite slow and boring to watch, so what I'm gonna need to change the frame duration of each image. So first hit Command A to select all the images and hit Ctrl D and change the duration to 1 and enter. After that, the result is quite amazing. So that's how you can shoot hyperlapse and edit. So hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, then please like, share and also subscribe to my channel. And if you want to comment something, then please comment down below. So that's it for today's tutorial, guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video.